अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम। अम्मा बाद। Respected President and special guests, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today we are all gathered here on a very important and special occasion, and that is August 15th, India's Independence Day. This day reminds us every year that many years have passed since our country gained freedom from the British rule. But we can never forget the sacrifice made behind this freedom. On 15th August 1947, our beloved country, India, became the free. The sun rose on that day, carrying the fragrance of freedom. Millions of sacrificed their lives to show us this day. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Ashfaqullah Khan, and countless other brave people broke the chains of slavery by sacrificing their lives, and we all need remember their sacrifice. It our responsibility to protect our country. Jai Hind.